on there. I just say you choose. For you, then you are gonna get your good and bad news. Everybody have to share them views. You have some cruel and you have some cool. But if you want the facts and truth, just link Busha Bling and Moods YouTube. And Datmahseh. And that say. Remember tell them when you want you see me. You don't hear what me say, just hear what you say. And Datmahseh. And that say. I bet you say you never know. Say there's so much things that go on out of road. Promoter box down man, say critics. People are switch vote, pay politics.
Welcome Busha.
Yeah, so brother. We're officially here.
Officially, you know that this is the first. This is history in the youth.
Yeah.
The first episode of the brand new program.
Datmahseh. You know, long we are trying to put this together.
You see it?
Yeah, it officially here, and it feels so great that we can do this right now because it's been in the making for so long.
That's true. That's true. You know Datmahseh, we are telling you a little bit about the concept of the show, what you can expect from the show.
Yeah.
As you can see, you know, we are two brethren from long time. How long are we brethren?
2004 or something like that.
Long time, brother.
Yeah, is it?
It's a long time there. So, you don't know, over the years, we've been having discussions about different things. And we just think it's time for us to bring it to a platform like YouTube.
Yeah, so that the world can see it. That the world can see. Because a lot of our discussion them stem from anywhere from entertainment straight across to even biblical.
Anything we can talk about on Datmahseh. And right now Datmahseh is not a box show. You don't know what to expect. All you can know is it might be something that will make your day. We're here to make your day special. So if you have anything on your mind, we're just here to share our views with you, share our experience with you, and see how we can add to your life, add value to your life.
So I guess this man is
the moral uncensored one. I don't know, we have different personalities.
And the moral compass this.
Although we have different views and things. You know, him have him views, me have my views. So me not really reserved, but me not so extreme as Busha.
Oh, alright.
And by the way, this is Busha.
Busha
I am Moods, right? So, as we said before, this show is not about anything specific. You won't come every day and hear us do political banter or review a music video or review a new song, or it might be anything.
Sports.
It might be expect the unexpected, but just no say. Running forward and tune into Datmahseh, una get some real views.
Yeah, real, uncensored, honest.
But I don't know, this is Stanley Datmahseh, boot it up.
I tell you, say yo, people, I go to an event, bridging them eyeglass promotion. Big up my friend Dufton.
Yeah, Dufton!
The man, Duffy, comedian. Everybody know Duffy.
Yeah.
Bridging, the man invite me to a brand new concept of a entertainment package. You know, them call it Rivers.
Oh.
So the thing is that you pay a one flat rate and you get food, transportation, liquor, entertainment, and it's a nominal $5 grand, brother.
Oh yeah, say man, that sound like it win, man.
Because you know it's a $5 grand alone for go anywhere out of town and just gas. But the man say, yo, Rivers. Yo, just check out some of the clippings and some of the highlights of Rivers, no man.
Rivers is transportation, food, and liquor inclusive. On the spending of $5 grand, yeah, but no money.
Rivers, March 4th, right here, touching. Eyeglass promotion is a good vibe. You see me, I sweat. I enjoy myself. We are work, I enjoy ourselves same time. Because the concept of Rivers is not just a regular party. It's a vibe, you can see it. Food there, we play some dandy shandy, scrimmage. They catch all crayfish, live food that cook same time. The bar up the side, that's a good vibe. Eyeglass promotion, Duffy, Lance, Joe, MJ, Bells, Doc, Bell, Brian, we just come together and decide, say, we're going to put on an event that everybody know used to. Was a nice park. And we just jump in our car a couple Sunday and say, yo, find a river and pour enjoy ourselves. People have been coming, we started off with like 2 cars, then 4 cars, then 8 cars. We just say, yo, make it a nice event. Smirnoff jumped on as a sponsor on the right here in Thatchill. Philip and your team, big up yourself, brother. Yeah, enjoy myself to the fullest. Watch out for the next Rivers. So this is Duffy from Eyeglass Promotion. We say Rivers. I know Rivers say, that me I say. Stick and stay tuned. That me I say. Rivers. Alright.
That me I say. First episode, Bush, I remember, you know, history,
yes. Yeah, man, I tell you, because this is going to be, how do I call this? Record breaking. Because me see for this program, we're going astronomical levels.
Astronomical.
Yeah, because, you know, why you wouldn't love what I got?
Yeah, right now, I tell you, Rivers, as you could have said, you did nice.
Yeah,
I tell you, yo,
it look good for you.
You missed the food, B. Yeah. The man them have pork,
yeah.
The man them have chicken,
yeah.
The man them have fish,
you know,
the man them have fritters, the man them have some pasta, something. Yo,
yeah.
the chef, you know.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, everything there, yo, the chef, big up. You know, so I circle the chef and I say, Cho, you don't know. I try move like me. Militant, isn't it?
Yeah, well it.
Yeah, I say, yo, one time I go the line because I don't know man a proper man.
Yeah.
Rocket dog. So I touch the first little plate, one of them little plate there, yo.
Yeah.
Box it down flat.
That's a sandwich plate, sauce.
A little sauce, a little plate there.
Oh, that I go with big band, dog.
I say, yo, I have to skip a girl, man. I say, yo, I never go yet, man.
I know that's true, man. That's why.
So I say, yo, for the first few subscribers, I say, yo, subscribers, right now, I'm going to give you a deal. Because one thing with Jamaican people, we love give them deal and them love get deal.
I mean, man, Jamaican people love deals,
them want,
man.
If they tell them say $1,000 or something,
yeah.
They want ball on the price.
Yeah, even if at 999, they say it better.
Yo, just take off something, man.
Yeah.
Yo, where do, man? Just take off something.
Exactly.
Man. I say, right now, we're going to take off something. You see, so the next Rivers coming up on June 3, although them not really finalize the location yet, but just know, say it a shot. Me, I offer a 5% discount. 5% discount off of the 5 grand. So you know so that at 4,500.
Yeah, sure, 5% that are 10%, man.
Oh shit, dog.
Man, they make it look like I'm me the one with the pass mats.
Jeez.
Yeah, that guy with the pass mats?
Yeah, just it's a Freudian slip. A 10% discount. Cause I don't know, can't really long the thing for 5%.
5% don't make no sense.
Yeah, man, yo, don't remember, you know. Although I never really ask him, but you know, my good feet.
No, man, that's
I'm a virgin, man.
Yes, and then we have to bring it out to the public,
yeah,
and either way, Dufton not accept it, because
yeah,
you don't
right
know.
now, if you bring a cat, you know, you wouldn't have to spend like 10 grand, you know. You
Yeah.
spend like 9 grand.
A sign, couple settings.
That don't make sense, man.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, man, so subscribe to the channel. Right now, if you subscribe and you're in the list of the first 15,
yeah, all
just send me a DM, man.
All who have a girlfriend born June 3, you can make her DM Mary.
What? You win with that, you
I
know?
will tell you.
Yeah, man, spend your money, man, and she's nice. She love you for the rest of the year and next year.
From time to time, some celebrity might dip on the Rivers with you, so
yeah, man.
she got daddy rub shoulder with celebrities, everything.
Yeah, if I tell you.
So the thing,
it was a good look, man.
So this is just an introduction to the show. This is just the tip of the iceberg, because we have so much more to cover and so much more to go.
What to expect? Just expect the unexpected, but no say you're going to be entertained.
Yeah, because
no say you're going to get something. I know so we're going to have a little charitable part of the thing.
No, we
hopefully.
have to.
Because we like, one thing, you know, with me in a bush. I like see people receive. Although I don't really have it, you know. I don't know if you have it, you know.
Nah,
really
well, personally still, I've been doing my humanitarian thing.
Yeah, I like the humanitarian thing, but I don't like the load up thing. Because sometimes you like give people, you know, like everybody know.
Yeah, me
like the photo up giving.
I think giving in its own self, its own reward. So the truth is for me, children are way of me. Like the other day, I find myself work with the Reach Foundation and I give away over 100 bags, John Sport and so forth, book and thing to the Almantown Primary School. So for this year,
respect for that.
For this year though, we are trying to go seek out the Jonestown Primary School.
Yeah. That's a good move. So we are gonna have a charitable aspect of the show. So I don't know if people out there have anybody we know about to have certain needs and we can make the link to make them get it. We not really say we are gonna go in our pocket like them shallow pocket if we make it reach them. But if we know somebody who have something. So if we don't have things on one give away, we can send a email. We are gonna put up the email address like right there, so.
Yeah, and just allow us to be phone hands.
Yeah, so we are gonna just go out there. See if we don't have a mattress on, no use not the PP mattress, you know.
No Kaya one?
No Kaya mattress. So that look nice clean mattress. So somebody want a mattress, somebody want an iron board, somebody want an iron, you know.
Anything as simple as a fan, you know, the hot summer.
Yeah man, look at summer.
Yeah, summer come.
Summer fall.
But person say Jamaica always summer.
Yeah. Sometimes we just hotter than some.
Alright then. We are trying reaching in touch with the Jonestown Primary School. Yeah. Been trying to call them phones for weeks now and can't get through. Probably have to go down there physically.
Probably have to physically go down there.
But people please, if you can't hear this, and don't have the link to the Jonestown Primary, make them know so get them phone up.
Yeah.
Because we are trying our best to try to see if we can reach out to them. At least 100 or so kids we can try to make them have books and school supplies for this year.
Jonestown, remember.
Yeah, we did Almantown already.
We not get free bag on the phone now work. Remember on the fix on the phone or pay on the phone bill, know what happened. Probably plug out.
Yeah, so shout out to the Reach Foundation because of them, along with me, we are do the thing. We are trying to reach all the schools that we can reach. Every year we try to take on a school. So we help for help.
Yeah, just me look on the time though. Yeah. I don't know. We just have to do the show because we have things to do too, you know. We have a life too, you know. Yeah, so we just have to tell you no thanks for sticking and staying with us because I don't know. This is the first episode of the first season. And that me I say. And we just want member say we just do a recap. Member say we know for link with on the email for who want go the next edition of Rivers for the discount. Member say Jonestown Primary for link with, or if you don't have no link to nobody down there for link with on the email
anyway
and we'll make it happen. First episode.
And you can reach up on the social media them we did
Yeah man, I don't know, my social media is Moods35 on IG. I don't really use Facebook like one time, isn't it?
I use everything because at the end of the day, Facebook how I use to connect to families, mainly people who really know. IG are for everybody. But
so what's your IG again?
Busha_bling.
Okay. Moods35mm. Who want to follow, just go and follow now.
Yeah, follow real.
First episode, that me I say.
Mm-hmm.